In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at the basic for loop in JavaScript, specifically in the node.js environment. If you've never programmed before, don't worry, we're going to take it step by step, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to use for loops with ease. Okay, let's break it down. We start with the keyword for, followed by parentheses. Inside these parentheses, we have three parts, separated by semicolons. The first part, let I equals 0, is the initialization. This is where we set up our loop variable. The second part, I less than 5, is the condition. This tells the loop to continue running as long as I is less than 5. The third part, I++, is the iteration. This is the code that runs after each loop, and in this case, it increments I by 1 each time. And there we have it. The console.log I, in the curly braces, is the code that's run in each iteration of the loop. As you can see in the output, it printed out each number from 0 to 4, which is the value of I in each iteration. Now, let's move on to another example. This time, we'll be using a for loop to count backwards. This time, the initialization is let I equals 10, which means we start counting at 10. The condition is I greater than 0, which means we continue the loop as long as I is greater than 0. And the iteration is I, which means we decrement I by 1 in each loop. Just like that, we've counted backwards from 10 to 1 using a for loop. As you can see, for loops are a powerful tool in JavaScript, allowing you to repeat code easily and efficiently. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy programming, and see you in the next video.